There you go. It's recording.
What you got?
Ooh. Ooh. Mmm.
Ever tried to make a cherry blueberry cobbler?
I made the peach cobbler the other day.
A peach cobbler.
All I do is make a mess anymore.
Who ate all the wasabi peas?
Uh-oh.
I did.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Yeah.
Give me a bite.
I love Japanese marketing, like Japanese advertising.
There's cream in there.
Happy snacks for happy times.
It's a happy snack. What did Nanny do to it? Nanny.
Got the cream out.
Nanny. Stop it.
How do you shut it off?